day's trip's finished. We've caught the coach to the train station over there, and then we've got to catch a train. We're going on the ice again today to Nurembrrg. Crystals, they do crystals and stuff. This is in the Starbucks. This is the huge train station. This was supposed to go up the other day we missed. Kind of got everything. We're trying to find toilets at the moment. I'd like a tea. We've got a cookie shop over there. Oh, they're in. Oh, this is good fun. And of course, not the other one, went through on in. And some of the nice countryside we're going past. Back to what we like, isn't it, Kevin? There's Amy with Mr. Squidgy.
Yeah.
Harriet.
Alright, it's a video.
This is video, Harriet.
You put your fingers in your mouth. You go. Just to talk to Squidgy.
Was that a... So we arrived at Nurembrrg. We're now trying to find a way out of the train station. Yeah. Oh, luggage. Everyone behind. So we stopped again. I'm having trouble finding where we're going. Nurembrrg. We're walking to the hotel with our luggage. Look at all done with all the luggage. Big group, 37 of us. I don't believe this hotel's too far away though. Hopefully not. Okay, was the room at the next youth hostel. Looks, and it's the same like franchise. So as you can see, it's pretty much the same. Very brighter in the bigger room. Got a little area there and a little desk area. The bed actually looks a bit more cushioned. And the bathroom's a little bit more luxurious too. So, and a slightly bigger shower. What do you do, Mr. Whitnell?
Don't push me out the window.
Let's go with a cute little wardrobe. In behind the mirror.
Okay, one more floor up and we've got our bar.
And that's the view out that window. This one's got a street, so it should be a bit quieter. And oh, we've got bedside table. This one's luxury, Kevin.
You can smack.
I don't know if you see the tower there or not.
Like, oh yeah, tomorrow I can take it. You're leaving tomorrow.
I think we're heading down to where the Nuremberg trials were. It's all a bit of a shopping centre. It's kind of like an old town. I imagine they had the trials here because it wasn't too badly destroyed during the war, but I'm not really sure.
So walking up the hill now to the castle. And it's going to be steep and puffed work. Pretty area though. That's the big walk up and then the big tower. And my feet haven't recovered from yesterday. So we're kind of...
It's really disappointing we're only here for one night.
That's just,
yeah.
after it. Henry should have moved here.
That's easy. We're gonna go down later.
Yeah. Let's roll down the hill, I think.
Yep.
Oh.
Okay.
Come on to the west.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe in properly.
No, it's hard when you're not well. Amy and I made it to the top. A bit puffed.
So we can't breathe.
Yes, poor Amy's got a cold. But it's very nice up here. And apparently we've got a nice view over here.
Thank you.
This is Nuremberg from the castle wall. We just had to climb up that hill. It doesn't look like much of a hill here, but it was. At least for me, us old people. That's the church where we just were, the little markets. I bought some blackberries, which were expensive. I don't know where all the trials were. There's supposed to be signs, but they're around here somewhere. Obviously in some of these buildings around here, but I don't really know.
We're now heading back down from the castle. It actually hurts my toes more. My toes get squished on the cobblestones. But it's not as puffy work going down the hill. Kevin's really wanted to find where the Nurembrrg trials were, but we can't find any signs for anything, and so we don't really know. That's what we really want to see here. Cute streets though. We're getting some yummy cookies. We just got to try one. They're very nice. All handmade. And the lovely lady over there just made a sample of her beautiful cheese and bread, and it was absolutely beautiful. Such a shame we can't have some for dinner because it was so good. But anyway, we haven't got a fridge. I bought a few things. And Mr. Grumblebum, he doesn't like me shopping. All he wants to do is go buy food. Not a golden, but I saw his tail. I wanted to go. I thought it was good to use my